Hey guys, are you about to buy a used iPhone? Well, make sure to do this. All right, so you want to check this out. Welcome back to Quick Assist, and today I'm going to be assisting you on something that you have to make sure that to do when you get a used iPhone. We're going to want to check battery health. Okay, so we're going to go to settings. From settings, you're going to want to go to battery right here on the top. Click battery, and then you'll see on the bottom there's battery health. Now go ahead and click that, and you're going to want to make sure to see at what percentage full capacity is. Now, this is an iPhone 16 Pro, had over for over a year now, so then it's at 88%. What's also important is not just the percentage, but then also the cycle count. So what does cycle count means? It means the amount of times that it fully charged like to 100%. So then it's already, in this past year and a half, it's got to 582 full cycles now. Now at 582 cycles at 88%, it's not, it would be in the normal range, on the low normal range, which means that for one reason or another, my phone is not the optimal condition it could be, but it's still in the normal range at 88%. Once you get below 80%, that's when you're gonna start noticing usage problems like it doesn't charge very well. And at that time, if you get a used iPhone, you're gonna want to consider replacing the iPhone. Okay, most likely if you get a used iPhone, it's already gonna be past the warranty or Apple Care, so that doesn't really matter. But once you start tinkering with the iPhone, it's usually against their policy to use Apple Care. So once again, make sure if you get a used iPhone, make sure to check maximum capacity of your battery health, 88% right here. For example, my other phone is at 70%, and then that's when I would want to replace the battery. But also cycle count. What does cycle count mean again? It means the full amount of time that the phone has charged from 0 to 100%. So 582. Now, we often don't wait for it to go to 0% to charge our phones. We usually maybe like at 10 to 20% we'll start charging. And then so your iPhone will account for that, and it does full cycles. One cycle equals 10 to 100%. All right, guys. So now you guys know what battery health, maximum capacity, and cycle count means. Okay, I hope this video helps. Please like or comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye bye.